Hi guys, today I'll be installing T1 series LED headlight bulbs from Auxbeam. I'll leave you guys a link in the description so you can check out their products yourself. These bulbs look actually great. They use aviation grade aluminum. There are 6 Philips LED chips, 3 on each side. They have a cooling fan to cool the bulb. The color temperature is 6500 Kelvin, which gives you a very nice looking bright white color. They are water and dust resistant. The power is 35 watts per bulb, 4000 lumens per bulb, so all the goodies are here. I must say that so far my experience with the company was great. The person I was working with was really helpful. They even sent me the adapters which were required for this vehicle, which I'll show you a little bit later in the video. So yeah, let's install the bulbs now. We have already installed the bulb on this side, so just to test everything, I'll show you how it's done. So basically this power fluid container has to go up. This way you'll gain access to the bulb, which is here. That's how you need to do it when you do this side, but what we'll be doing, we'll be working on this side right now. So in order to get access to the headlight housing, we'll have to first remove the battery. So this way now we have enough space to reach the low beam bulb, but what I'll do, I'll actually show you the installation on the high beam, which is right here, again because it's just easier to see and to demonstrate to you how it's done. Again, this will provide us a little bit more space to work. Okay, so first we'll have to disconnect this 3P connector and pull the dust cover off. Now here you have a retainer spring. You have to push it down and lift it up in order to open it. And here is the original bulb. So this is the adapter I was talking about. As you can see, the original bulb has these 4 things here, which this bulb doesn't have. That's why we need adapter, so it makes sure you can secure the bulb in place. Because this bulb has a fan, the way it's designed is you have to pull this off, and using the adapter you have to install this portion first. Let's do it. So it goes like that, and secure it with the spring. Okay, after this was done, now you can insert the bulb. Just push it all the way in. So because it has a fan, the dust cover won't be able to go back in the way it was designed. So what I've done is I turned the inside portion of it inside out. So now you can pull the wire through this opening. And install the dust cover back. And connect the bulb to the connector. You have to observe the polarity. I believe it goes like this: red on the left, black on the right. This way. It's pretty much done. So you could also secure the wires with a zip tie or something, just so it won't rattle inside the engine bay. So on the right side, there is actually not that much space here. There is a frame that doesn't give you much space to work with. So what I'm trying to do here is I'll try to install it this way, when the adapter is already installed on the lamp, and try to put it on like this. And after that we'll have to go and put the retainer spring around. So the bulb is installed, the right side low beam. Well, as I said, it was a little bit tricky because there is a frame here and there is not much clearance. The other way to do it would be to remove the bumper first and then remove the headlight housing, and to do it that way, but that adds all those extra steps. So the way they designed this light, the Auxbeam, it still fits in here. You just have to find the proper position for it. Both lamps have been installed. Let's see how they look. One thing I want to mention is when I was installing the adapter first, that works perfectly fine on the high beam. On the low beam, because there's a little bit less space there's a frame close by. When you install the adapter first, it actually eats up a little bit of space near where the bulb goes, near the opening. So I found that it's easier to actually like put the adapter on the bulb first, and then you install the whole assembly into the opening. This way it provides you just enough space to put the bulbs in without taking the whole headlight assembly out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. So after the first bulb was installed, let's see how it looks like at night. So we have LED on the right and the regular halogen on the left. It looks really nice.